Hey, welcome back to Outdoors with NoNo. What's going on, y'all? Hey, look, I just finished moving. I've emptied the truck and everything, but we're far from unpacked. So this is my little country-looking backyard. It's actually kind of cool to have a couple trees. But today we're gonna do some grilling because I mean, you already got, you don't have to dirty up any dishes, and the grill is easy to find. So I got some stuff going on in the stove. I will go in there and show you that in a little bit. Okay, so I got a whole chicken in here, and I've seasoned up this water pretty heavy duty. You can see it just caking up on this chicken right here. So I'm just gonna do the chicken like, I don't know, another 10 minutes or so. And I got some lamb loin chops right here. So I'm just putting it in here to where it can get this flavor imparted in it. And then I'm gonna finish it up and get a good little sear, some charcoal on that, on the grill. This is what I used. Sazon. Dillweed. Shout out to Scotty. What up, big dog? And then I got some of this adobo, a little paprika, and of course, cayenne pepper. You gotta cook with cayenne pepper. Now, the chicken, it came with the gizzards and whatnot. I'm not gonna mess with the gizzards or anything, but I do love the liver, the neck, and the heart. So I got those seasoned up, and I will throw those on the grill as well. Okay, so this is my grill cover. People always say I'm cheap. Come on, man. It works. It's effective. You gotta be creative. Anyway, I did bring my Weber out here. There we go. The cover works. I mean, look at it. It looks brand new. So obviously, all those people spending $50 on a damn cover, what you doing that for? Barely any rust. Look, barely any rust. All right, let me get the coals. I do not have my setup for coals, so I'm gonna have to make a little pile and do some paper, and we'll just work with it. All right. So I don't have my chimney. I decided not to take it, and look, here I am, needing it, second day. So I took my grill. I'm gonna light it with the burner. All right, took a little while. Had to make some sides. My goals are already getting weak. Once I throw these on, I'm gonna get some good color going. And then, damn, I'd like to clean these tongs. Good enough. I'm also going to use this remaining water. It's pretty heavily seasoned, and I'll be basting the meat. Chloe, get back. This is not a representation of how I normally cook. I don't have my dogs this close to my food. They're getting a little teaser. I just don't have a damn table around. Here. Use that. So yeah, that water is gonna be pretty good. Get this chicken on here just searing up. And then I need to go get the liver and the neck, throw them on. So, but it's about to be good. The sides are really good. So I'll be back. Yeah, a little behind schedule, but we're gonna be all right. Let's see. Debating on if I should close the lid. I don't know what y'all think. Just threw that liver on there. Let's do a base on this. Okay, just finished basting it all. Oh yeah, that's how I want it to look right there, just like that. Got some chicken skin right here. Ooh, you already know that's gonna be good. Look at it. Dang. I'm gonna let it go a little longer on that side. That's my little treat. Oh yeah, that wing's looking good. Nice golden brown. Okay. Oh, trying to flip them. There we go. Ooh, gotta be delicate with these. Usually I would like to cook that on foil, so. Alright, getting it ready. I want to do another little baste. And then I'm going to cover it up. Alright, be right back. Okay. I think we're good to go. Got a nice color on here. The lamb loin is looking good. Oh yeah. The back's my favorite part. It's got so much goodness on there. Ooh. Oh yeah. Well, I ain't leaving nothing out here. Honestly, let me catch that. And you know, as a chef, you get whatever you want to eat, really. But crunchy chicken skin. Oh my god, it's good. Wow. I'm gonna let these guys go a little bit longer. They're probably real close. I didn't pre-boil them though. Look. And that's all I got for today, y'all. Everything's looking real good. Look at that, nice and tender, juicy. All right, thank y'all for watching.